Understanding others is intelligent. Understanding yourself brings a deeper wisdom. Controlling others requires strength. Mastering yourself brings a truer power. To realize that you have enough is to have a contentment that is beyond riches. To just persevere is to just endure. But by letting the ego die, you can open to what lives eternally in the present. The essence of life is everywhere. All things and the empty space around everything are part of it. It nourishes, becomes all things, and allows everything to be, asking for nothing. Merged with life and working through life, the way is great and yet also humble, for it unfolds and becomes without making demands. Without seeking greatness, natural greatness is achieved.